Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk all about how you get those huge plants in just one season. So it's all to do with right now, which is February, March, even April. You want to get as much of this stuff as absolute possible. So the best thing I like to use for all of my plants is actually chicken manure. Okay, so if you know a guy who knows a guy, you're better off getting it sort of directly from there. However, sort of B&Q, all garden centres will sell the pelleted form, which you can use as like a supplement over the season. But right now we're in sort of February. You can do this from any time from sort of December onwards. My only recommendation would be is if you're going to get like a load of chicken manure or a load of manure, you can use farmyard manure. But I do like to use chicken manure because it's really high nutrient value with nitrogen, and nitrogen is going to be what's going to really produce those massive leaves, not your flowers but your massive leaves. So like your red bananas, I've got some green bananas, and these have done really well last year, and that was off pelleted manure. So why now? Why not in April? The biggest reason is it's all to do with giving the worms that bit of time to either drag it down. So there's two things you can do. You can either put the manure straight on top of the garden, let the worms drag it down and let them do the work, or you can actually dig it in yourself. Okay, digging it in yourself, if it's too late, it's that high in nitrogen that it'll actually burn the new roots and the new shoots that all your big plants are actually going to throw out. So it's going to be counterproductive. Okay, so it's really important that happens early on, no later than, I'm going to say, end of this month, which is February. So it's a really good gardening job to do right now when there's not much happening. So if you can take anything away from this quick chat, it's all to do with preparation with your soil. Okay, I know it's a little bit of a boring one and it may seem a little bit of an obvious one, but if you can put the time in now, so an afternoon where you're digging in some real good stuff, chicken manure, farmyard manure, chicken pallets, anything what you got your hand on, fish blood and bone, anything like that. Your fish blood and bones and things, fish blood, bone and potash and things like that are more of a supplement. Okay, so they're the sort of things that you're going to want to feed them over the season. This is what you want to do right now. So you want to give it a real good feed of chicken manure, farmyard manure, and I promise you, you'll get huge results. So then, like green bananas, red bananas, you've got what else have we got, like your brugmansias, anything like that. They're really going to push out that growth and be a real interesting spectacle for your garden this year. There we have it, just a bit of food for thought. So now is the time to get out there, start improving your beds. Like I say, I'm no Monty Don, I'm no Gardener's World channel. However, these sort of little bits will go a long way for you, so it will make all the difference to your garden for 2024. So I'm going to end the vlog without further ado. I'll see you next time in the garden. Take care, guys.